Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a first impressions of a blush that I've wanted to try for such a long time. It is the Saie Beauty Blush, the Dewy Blush, and they stock it on a website called Cult Beauty here in Australia. So I thought I would order one and just see how I go, see how I like it, and then I might order some more because the colours are so beautiful. So this is the box that it came in. The blush came in this really cute purple lavender package, and I got the colour Poppy because I actually couldn't choose between all the colours, but I thought the other ones looked really similar to some of the colours that I already have. So I thought if I got Poppy, I don't have anything like this, and it looked like a really good summer corally pink colour, and from all the swatches that I saw, I thought this one looked like a good option to try first. So it is the Saie Dew Blush, and it is a liquid cheek flush, and on the website it says a weather flushed blush in a bottle. Saie's Dew Blush is a creamy and dew boosting water-based gel that boosts skin loving ingredients to beautify your skin instantly and over time. So it says that it could be a subtle tint, or you can get an intense rich pop of colour, and that it's buildable and seamlessly melts into the skin and delivering a lit from within glow. So that sounds really good. And they also say that you can use your fingers, that you don't need to use any tools, which I usually use a brush to put my blush on. It doesn't really matter if it's cream or not, but I think for today I'm going to actually try my fingers and then also a blush brush as well. And then this is the blush out of the packaging. It's kind of like I think it's glass, and it feels really nice. It's a really good size as well, so something that you could easily put in your bag and just kind of touch up if you want throughout the day. And like I said, I got the colour Poppy, which is this really beautiful kind of coral pink color, which I'm very excited about. This looks really pretty. I feel like this is going to be such a nice color. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. I've just got my mirror here as well that I'm going to use to look at myself because I'm filming from this angle. But that is so pretty. That is really nice. That is like a true coral, but with a hint of pink. I'm really excited about that. I'm going to start off with this cheek first, and I'll probably just start off with a little bit and see if we want to build it up or not. So I'm just going to blend it. I'm using this brush that I got in Europe. I actually don't even know what it is, but it's called Saie Beauty. It's just like a really kind of soft blush brush. So far it's blending really easily into my skin just with the brush. It's diffusing out really nicely. That is so pretty. It's very bright. I love kind of that color that it's showing up, and it actually kind of comes up a little bit more pink in person than it does from the bottle. That's what it's looking like with diffusing it out, just a few small dots with a brush. And so far I love it. I think it's such a pretty color, perfect for summer, but honestly I would wear this all year round just because I love blush, and I would wear like cool tone pinks, warm tone pinks. I love blush so much, and this is really pretty. So this is what it kind of looks like just on the one side. I don't have any blush on this side. I've only got a bronzer but no blush. So I've done all my makeup as I normally would, and this is what it looks like. Now I want to try it on this side with using my hands to blend it out. If I was to put this in my bag and put it on or touch up throughout the day, I would probably just use my hands as well. So I'm going to put a little bit there, one more, why not? So it's actually showing up a lot more pigmented on the side that I use my hands, And I don't know if it's because I added more on this side. I don't remember. I didn't add them at the same time. But definitely in person this is way more pigmented. This is a lot more muted and kind of blended into the skin. I feel like this looks a lot more toned down, and then this side looks a lot more pigmented, if you can see that. All in all, I love the blush color. The consistency is super nice. It kind of really just blends into your skin. It kind of just looks like skin, and I think it's so pretty. It doesn't move around my makeup. It just kind of blends into it really nicely. It doesn't take anything off. I think that I like the brush a little bit better only because it's kind of blended into my skin, but I don't know if it's just gonna because it's been a few minutes. So what I might do is actually just blend this one a little bit more with my brush. I think that they brought out a new little collection of more blushes, and there's one that a lot of people have been wanting to come back. I think it's called Baby, and I think it's like a really cool pink color, and this is kind of making me want to buy it because that would be so pretty as well. And a lot of the colors look so nice. Like some of the, I think Spicy and Dreamy also just caught my eye, but I really just wanted to try one and see what I thought of the product before buying more. But I love this so much. I'm definitely going to keep this on for the rest of the day while I do all my errands and everything that I'm doing today, which is going to be so nice. I've just brought you in a little bit closer and you can just kind of see what it looks like on the skin. I just love the color, and I love how it's kind of picking up as well. I think it looks so pretty. If you wanted it a little bit toned down, you could definitely put less dots on your face, but I love it. It's so pretty, and I don't have any other blush that kind of looks like this as well in this kind of tone. So my first impression, I love this blush and I'm going to be continuing to use it. I think it's so pretty and so easily buildable and wearable, and yeah, I'm really impressed. I love the formula. I just love how it looks on the skin, and I'm just excited to wear it now. So that's a win. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please let me know by leaving a like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.